In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google form to your Facebook page so you can collect emails in a super simple and effective way. Whether you're trying to grow your mailing list, gather customer information, or you simply want an easy way for people to contact you, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, even if you've never used Google Forms before, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, open your browser and go to forms.google.com. Once you're there, click on blank form or choose any template you like. Now start entering the information you want to collect, things like name, email address, phone number, or any other details you need. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. You can also edit your form's title, add descriptions, and choose different question formats like multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Next, click on this button at the top right of your Google form. You'll see several options, but you want to select the link icon. It looks like a small chain symbol. Copy the link that Google gives you. This is the link you'll add to your Facebook page so your visitors can open your form instantly. If you want, you can also shorten the link using the checkbox provided to make it easier to share. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Keep your form short so more people actually fill it out. Make the email field required so you collect complete information, and test the form yourself before posting it. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once your link is ready, go to your Facebook page. From here, you can add the form link in several places. A simple method is to create a new post and write something like, "Click here to subscribe for updates." Then paste the link to your Google form. Another great option is to add the link to your page action button. Just click Edit Action button, choose Sign Up, paste your Google form link, and save it. After that, visitors can click the button and go straight to your form. It's also a good idea to pin the post with your Google form link to the top of your page. Taking this extra step ensures more people see it and helps you collect emails much faster. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a Google form to your Facebook page and start collecting emails easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?